Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them with me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
So you know my G's right now, me there. You know what I mean? Me know a long time me no drop a vlog. We kinda did take a little break for this week. We kinda take a little break, you know what I mean? After the boxing match we decided so we're gonna take a little break. And me basically me just go on a story time. Me couldn't just left on it like that. Me did feel too guilty. So me just drop a story time. And when they have that, at least we entertaining yourself something for watch. But we're there, man. Big up on yourself. Just journey with me for your side. So right now we are here. It look like a screen sitting there though.
Oh, blurry?
I mean I say blurry.
It's blurry.
It's blurry?
Yeah.
Right, it's some minor adjustments just made. We're here again. You have Andrew over there. Them will see after the fight, you know. We still not talk about the fight, you know.
So catch it pre.
Yeah.
Man, shit. Catch it pre. So after I fight, we take a break. Well, me take a break. Me dey pain up. Me not lie.
Yeah.
Body, we never physically prepare for this. So me dey take a break and me pain up. Today we both forgot the pool, chilling, you know, have a vibe, you know.
Right, no?
Cool breeze, cool breeze.
Me win! What about people never know what say Chabas are going? What about people never want Chabas win? Them say the ref bias. Them say be things. But Alfred lose. Knocking should I get knocked out?
You're living dangerously! Yeah, you're living too dangerous. You're good on the camera, you know. Right!
Yeah. I link on the back and reach a pool. Right now we're there, we just reach pool out here. Hot this one and banana chips. Yo, me know me should take one banana chips, you know. Dog. No, me begs come on banana chips, yo. So right now me there, Chabas the right back of me. How was me look? Chabas the back of me right now. He might do a video in the pool. And yo, me hide them probably red car. The chlorine in the water mess me up so. And Chabas shoot a music video over there so. But the pool right now, the water feels so good. Oh God man. You could have swim out there all day. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Chabas shoot a music video. Music video.
That mad.
That bad.
That bad.
Yeah, that's a 6. So when you about the water in them ears, we just left the pool. Right now my face probably white and ashy bad, you know, man. Cause my foot then rusty, you know, man. But we there just left the pool. Dog park right now with Blue. No, a long time I don't see Blue. When last time I see you? When last time I see me, G? Why pray? Why pray me, G?
So vlog girl, as you can see, we're out of the pool.
Out of the pool?
And we are walking through. And I do this vlog. Come here.
Yo, my G's, right now almost around 12 o'clock. And we got a pool yesterday. And yo, more on trim. Yo, me cross up dog, bombard. I want all the face. Yesterday we got a pool. You know, so after the pool, we kind of come back over here. We're there with Lucian and everybody, and we're there and we play a game and be something. We play a game all night last night. So I just wake up right now around 12 o'clock to that Sunday morning. I don't know what I feel for. I'm probably a Sunday. So why not do a Sunday, a Jamaican breakfast? Why not do a Jamaican breakfast? We have flour. I see what me have. Me feel for flitters. Me feel need for flitters, dumpling. Me have flour. Oh, some festival me should I make, you know. Me I try make a festival type of dumpling. Festival but more dumpling, but more festival but more. Me even know more and do. Butter go in there too. Butter there too. Something. Baking powder. Alright, so baking salt, baking powder, sugar, butter, flour, cornmeal. We need nothing more than that. Nothing more than that we need. What we have to do for the meat kind now, we'll probably do an omelette. I don't think about a dirty girl like well. I don't think about a dirty girl, but we'll probably do an omelette. So while I do everything, I link up back with you now. I'm going to see what I go on. So basically this part is just me I make the dough. Me still stuck between me now but I make fried dumpling, I make some festival, but it's not regular festival. It's like when people use milk and make festival and that. Me not the milk, so me just go use water and knead the dough. Yeah, so just I'll show you how me personally do it. Remember me alone I deal with it fine, so me not make enough. You know, you can add your salt. You can measure the cornmeal to the amount of flour in there. If you like cornmeal, you can put a lot. But this is good enough for the amount of flour there. We need around that. Around. I mean, I put too much baking powder in there, you know. Alright, that good. You don't need much sugar to sweet you want it. That's how much sugar you can add in a yarn. If you add too much sugar, it is too flaky, so you don't want too much sugar in it. You add in your butter, run a spoon of butter. See, butter and everything in it. All I do now, I mix up everything together. Mix in the flour. You know why I'm not up 2 of me on there. You mix in the butter in the flour like this. Mix in the butter in the flour like this. This is all you do. You mix in it, you get the butter in it. So now that's everything mixed in and you have it look like this. With the cornmeal, butter and everything. Now you just add your water and knead the flour. You just need in everything, you know what I mean? Don't know the sweats. Alright, only for people normally spoil them dough because alright, you see how this stay? This is a good thing. But you see, if you don't like it so sticky, all you have to do, just sprinkle back little flour. Sprinkle back little flour and knead it in. That if your dough go too soft, that's all you have to do. Just put in back little flour and knead it up. Alright. Oh, Miss Steven, you can see me. Normally, when you do this, you put on this for sit for probably like a hour or two. But I know something you have to do. For best results, if you want this better than how it will come out right now, because I know I just need it and go fry it, it not going to come out as 100 as if me need this right now and put it on for like 2 hours and then fry it after, because the flour that sit and everything with that, you know? So yeah, but me not the time there right now, so frying time. We done make the dough, we put on the pot for hot with oil, and the thing is, only for people, alright, only thing me no use, what could have been used was vanilla. What if people mix up for them with vanilla? Me not too in the vanilla, some of this, so me no use no vanilla. If you don't want, you can tip a little vanilla in the water, when I go use do the flour, when I go knead up the dough. So yeah, but otherwise from that, everything is everything. I'm go check if your oil hot and see if them are ready for going there now. 6. Add them to the oil now, no? Turn on the fire pan low. Just take them out. If you listen closely, you could hear them sizzling. Right, I say me that go do. I don't remember what I say me that go do. Either I say me that go do omelette or dirty girl, but right now I feel for the French fry dirty girl. French fry tin mackerel. Nobody ever eat French fry tin mackerel yet? That sound lit. French fry tin mackerel. Alright, me tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make the thing where if you go up on the, like you see like when I do the chicken, the same seasoning when I do if you put on the chicken, I'm gonna make that and I'm gonna get some egg and I'm gonna dip it in the egg, dip it in the flour and coat it, and I'm gonna deep fry the mackerel. So it's gonna be French fried mackerel. If you never see it nowhere yet or never do it yet, yes, so it's the first place on the see it. A big thing we always try over here, my G. So right now we're going to French fry mackerel. Watch this. Alright, my G's. This is time for the French fry mackerel. Remember, something we try. We have with flour mix up right here, so we do all-purpose seasoning and little paprika for spice, you know what I mean? Little cayenne pepper, if you say. Now is, for the mackerel, you don't know we don't want the gravy for the mackerel. Because fry we are going to fry it. So, take out the mackerel out of the gravy, put the mackerel in the flour, give it a coat, you know. Then put it in the egg. Put it back in the flour, you know what I mean? You can dip it in the egg again. I remember, you know, we want the thing to stay on to the mackerel. We want the crust stay on. That's basically it. So right now we actually have our mackerel, you know what I mean? And we're ready for fry because the oil hot. So the mackerel I'm just done. This are all the French fry mackerel and come out looking. Look like some chicken wings. Some chicken wings. French fry mackerel, I don't know how that pop up in my cranium like a while for me even think about it. And them not look so bad, me actually go taste it right now and see the way it tastes like. It's bad, but it tastes weird. It's bad, you know. It's bad. It's bad. You just want the sauce. French fry mackerel. Yeah, me gone too far now. Me and a French fry mackerel. Oh. Only little gravy you want and a 6. Everybody, yo, French fry mackerel, dog, everybody your friend. Yo, give me one of them festival. Yo, me can't cook too good, yo. French fry mackerel. But not only French fry mackerel. Festival. My jeez. Me have to cook food one day. Me can't just waste this. Like right now, me just cook and me cook for myself. Me can't just waste this. People need for their taste this. Me can't waste this. The festival is so good. The French fry mackerel. Me go eat my breakfast. Me check back in with you now. Alright, my G's, see it there? French fry mackerel and festival. But you see the sauce will come off for the mackerel. Me just boil it up, cook it down as a gravy, and then use it as like a something there for the mackerel, like a sauce, you know? French fry mackerel and dumpling. Some G's right now, me there. Wrap up in my bed, Sunday boring like what. Me about for just edit when me have gone so far. For everything when me do from wedding. Well, probably yesterday I think. And when me do today, me just edit and go on so when I get a Sunday video for watch and then start back fresh tomorrow. You know what I mean? Cause right now me supposed to touch the road, but we're not tear out the door, tear. So yeah, me just upload this and we just have something fortunate Sunday evening, yeah. And me link up back with you on, you know, tomorrow. So remember, up it. Remember to like, subscribe and comment. Mad move and I'm out.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.